So here we are, we're doing the maiden flight for the minimum RC Sabre, and it's perfect conditions. I don't know when we're going to have conditions like this again, so I'm just going to go for it. And we're using their transmitter, the Andromeda, okay, and we're just going to see what happens. So here we go. Well, there's the end of the maiden video. I have to say that the gyro system certainly earned its keep. It was as stable as anything. Unfortunately, I only had one battery. Otherwise, I would have put a different battery in and put it to a manual mode and maybe done some aerobatics. But as it is, I've had to bring the battery back to charge it up, and we don't get days like this very often, so I'm not risking it. Anyway, it flies very well. In fact, it was very quick. Yeah, in comparison to the last one I did, it's much quicker, and there's no vices with the transmitter at all. It worked beautifully. First go, off the cuff, no crashes, no nothing. So I'm very pleased with the result of that, and I can highly recommend it. I think it's a great model, and I think it's within the range of most people. The price is certainly reasonable. It's not particularly difficult to build, and I think that anybody that takes this on, yeah, they're going to get a good model. All I would say is just follow the instructions, and you're not going to go wrong. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get more content. I'm leaving that in. Cheerio and bye bye.